Shalom, this is Yehudit from Sivan normally. I'm still in Tennessee, in front of a beautiful forest here. And I'd like to show you what I'm going to be doing for the 36th day of the 40 days of blessing. It starts during Shabbos, and I'm doing this tape ahead of time. And we'll try to send it out actually ahead of time as well, in case you want to do the movements on Shabbos for yourself. The color system I'm wearing is to acknowledge we're in the 36th day is the fourth letter of ברכה at the level of Yesod. So the indication of Yesod, I have this red dress underneath my other clothes here, and a somewhat orange scarf, red being the color in the rainbow system for Yesod, orange being the color in the Zohar system for Yesod, for its place of intimacy and communication and connectedness and regeneration. All of these are part of Yesod. And Malchut, which is the fourth position where the Hay is in Bracha, can be brown in the rainbow system or blue in the Zohar system. So I have some blue in my scarf and blue here, blues and browns, to emphasize for myself the place of centeredness and groundedness and possible manifestation of my sense of sovereignty of who I am and who I need to be as God's messenger in the world, as a channel for everything that comes down from Yesod to be able to be manifest in Malchut. So that's sort of some of the kavanah for this 36th day of the 40 days of blessing between Shavuos and the 17th of Tammuz. Now the letter is the Hay, so I step back, and I'm going to show you a different Hay today. We're going to try this experiment. This is one that came during the process of these movements, and I've been doing this as a final Hay. It's very similar to what I've done before. The simple Hay is just coming up and turning your hands over. And I'm using for the final Hay sometimes where I bring my hands back to back, come up, and it's like an offering Hay. Offering, and then I turn my hands over and lower my head. And then the heel steps, and I go up to the window, and then I come back to back, offer, and then point my toe and come forward. This is a new Hay that came during when I was doing the movements for my videos. And I've started to use it a lot for the final Hay of a word. So the review of the nikudah that goes for the Shuruk, that goes for Yesod, is bringing your hands together in a dot from your center, and ooh. On the side is the head bent slightly for the vav. Here's the vav, and then the dots here. Ooh. 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 I'm doing it towards you in combination with the final Hay. Let's try it. I'm taking it internally, going through the sefirot in my body: Keter, Chachma, Bina, Hesed, Gevurah, Tiferet, Netzach, Hod, Yesod. And Malchut, I do it actively as a combination, and then I do it receiving from everything as having Hashem breathe me, just being conscious of that. It's happening all the time. So let's start. So I'm going to step back, do the offering Hay for Keter. I'm cross over to the right, doing the Shuruk for Yesod. Ooh. Now stepping to the right, stepping back for Chachma. And staying on the right this time. Ooh. Stepping back left for Bina. Left. Ooh. Stepping back right for Hesed. Ooh. Left, step back for Gevurah. Ooh. Step back right for Tiferet, and we'll cross over. Ooh. Right for Netzach. Ooh. Left for Hod. Right for Yesod and then cross over. And left for Mahut with a crossover. The offering hay. And the Shuruk. Ooh. And then knees slightly bent, letting Hashem breathe me as I bring the energy again down through my whole body, and realize I'm a vessel for Hashem to manifest in a very unique way here in this world, in the physical plane. And Hashem breathes me, makes me alive, gives me my creativity. So I say centered and grounded, and sensing that each breath I get and receive from Hashem is given to me to act in accordance with my best understanding of Hashem's will for each moment. May we be so blessed with that centered groundedness and ability to communicate and have true conversations with our friends and our relationships, and in every way that we connect with this physical world, that may be inspired literally by Hashem's energy pulsing through us. Blessings to you.